Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to disable do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device messes in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, let me open one software. So you can see here it's showing one message, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, right? So you might be familiar with this message showing up when you're opening some softwares on your Raspberry Windows computer, right? And after that only you can click on yes and you can start using that software. So if you find this message irritating, then you can disable it. So for this, what you need to do is just click on this Windows Start menu icon, and on the search box just search for one option, user account control. So you'll see here change user account control settings. Just click on it, and now by default it is being selected here. And now just drag it to the bottom, and after dragging it to the never notify, click on OK, click on yes. Now let us try to reopen those softwares where we are getting such messages. So let me open the same software which I have opened earlier. So now you can see it's not showing the similar message which we have seen earlier. So if you want to restore it back, just move back to the same option and just set it to the default settings in the second level and set it OK. Now if you reopen the software, you will get the similar message again. So this is the way how you can disable do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device messes in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.